just our internet, network internet cable. So I want to just use the same camera, the same camera we have put on the wall. This camera, the video format is 265 video format, so it picks people very well. So this is the camera. This is the camera, and this is the network interface port. Network interface port, which is a NIC port. So I'll be showing people on how to drill this camera on the wall and how to connect your NIC port to this camera and to the PO. After that, we're going to do PO switch configuration. How to connect a PO switch to the how to connect a PO switch to the NVRO. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the NVRO camera. So I'm going to show you how to drill this camera on the wall and how to mount it. After doing that, showing you how to connect the cable to the POS switch. So this is the camera. This is the camera. We have two ports here. Now this is a port for the NIC. This is the NIC port. This one is going to be connected to the POS switch. While this is the power port. This camera needs to be powered by. It needs to be powered. It's not like the other one that has just the port. So if you are connecting this port, the camera is not going to be powered and it's not going to function. You might think it's the cable that is having the fault, which is not the cable. So the two cables needs to be connected simultaneously. So the first step was to mark the wall where the ball is going to pass. So I want to mark. I don't have a ball marker to do that. So I'm marking all the four ends. Yeah, so now I need to drill now the wall. Cut. So start drilling. We need now to put our shoes in. We need to put this inside. So put a nail with the hammer. Now before doing that, let's screw the camera to the able. So just screw this. Go. Correct. Run. Go on the camera. Good one. Good. So now I'm scrolling the camera to the wall. The last scroll. Okay, that is it. Make sure you tie it firmly. The wall. Yes, to the wall because you are so injured. In case in this situation. Now, we want to face it towards the frontal part. So we need to do some adjustment here. This camera, cameraman. We need to do some adjustment here. So I'm taking it one. Second. Someone screwdriver then. So some untiring it. Now, yeah. The thing is okay like this. This is bon. Now ties and tie this side. So that is how we can. Now we're going to put a box here at the center where these two cameras are going to enter inside the cable for security. Then we'll do the connection. So stay tuned. So that is it.
The opening there.
So this is a PoE switch. This is 16 ways. Port 1, port 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now this is a LAN cable that is going to be linked to the NVRO. Now let's see the access switch here. We have just the power cable. So we're going to connect the power cable to the PoE switch. Nothing is here. Yeah, after this we're going to link all the cameras here. So this is the NVRO. This is the NVRO. We have some ports here. This is the LAN port which is going to be connected to the PoE switch. We have the VGA port to link it to the TV or HDMI port. Then we have the USB port. You can use external USB here, or you can use your mouse. I think you get the mouse inside. This is a mouse and the adapter. So take and connect the adapter. Yeah,
So we need to include camera 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All those cameras so they are offline, so we need to put them online. So let's check IP settings. The channel, include all channels. Yeah. Switch time. Yes, so we are done with the installation. So see let us see the cameras. We installed 10 cameras. So we have 10 cameras installed. You go to your view layout and you select the the numbers of views, the numbers of ways, which is 16. Now the TV is too small, that is why you cannot see this other side, this other direction, you cannot see it. So we have camera 1. This is camera 1, takes the frontage. Let's also view camera 2. In fact, there are many of them, we cannot view everything. You see this, you see the movement from the frontal, from the frontage. Yeah. This is the backyard. This is the backyard. So let's check another place. This is also the backyard. So that is it. The next video I'm going to drop is going to be on how to configure your time. Yes, then you check if it's working. Now you can see same on the next video. We are going to put motion detection. Yes, because motion detection, now all those cameras are recording. But if you place your motion detection now in this scenario, in this camera, there's no motion detection there and it's recording. Now the advantages of motion detection is that if something is happening in this camera, right, it starts recording at that same spot. But if you don't put your motion detection, it's going to record like that. So maybe your hard disk is going to be full within a shorter period of time. So you need to enable your motion detection. I'm going to show you how to enable your motion detection. So that is going to be on the next video. After that, I'm going to show you on how to mesh this system to your mobile phone. We are going to do that, to measure system to your mobile phone, so that if you are not around, you can manipulate this on your mobile phone. After that, we are going to see some configurations on how to configure the post, the NVRO to the internet, so that you can access it if you still the post on the NVRO. So all those things are going to be on my next slide. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share this video, and comment.
my satellite finder. So the satellite finder, if you have this one, then you are good to go. So I'm showing you how to use your satellite finder any map. So just follow this video and you're gonna learn how to use your satellite finder. Okay, so the first step, on your satellite finder, and after owning it, now I'll be showing you how to use it. After owning it, there are some buttons here. We have the menu button, the records, and the rest, exit button and the rest. Now if you want to manipulate your satellite finder, it's the same way as manipulating your decoder. So you press on your menu button. Let me say you want to install a channel like CRO TV, which is Eutelsat, Eutelsat 16A. You enter into your satellite, and those are the satellite names. So you can add your satellite, you can edit your satellite, you can delete your satellite, and you can scan your satellite. So when you see this, the add to represent the red button, yellow, the edit represent the green button, yellow represent delete, and the blue represent the scan. So if I'm to add a satellite, I will press the red button and it gives me the name. So I'm to write my name, I'll press on OK and type in the name. Now if I want to change these cases to uppercase, I'm going to click on my page, which is green. My page is going to give me uppercase. So let me say I want to write it as Alemji start. And write sat. Now after writing that Alemji sat, you want to save, you click on your yellow. Since I save here is the yellow button commands the save, so you press on your yellow, it saves the name automatically. Now you can decide to put your latitude here, which is the angle of the dish. Maybe you want to put 16 or 28, or you can put anyone. So I can just leave it, I can just allow it to be 00. Now I'm going to press my confirm button, which is the OK, which is confirm, which is yellow. I'll press my yellow button and it's already saved. So this is how you can add your satellite. Now if you want to add a TP, which is your transpose to this, a frequency, you click on your satellite button, because here is transpose. You click on your satellite. I've inside click on info, click on your satellite button, it takes you now to the TP section. And if you are to add a TP, let me go back, I need to select it and click on TP. Now if you want to add your TP, do the same process and you click on your red button. You do the same process, you put a TP. Let me say you want to put 108, which is your TV spot, and you go down. The frequency is 10804. Out of range. Now the frequency is 10804, and this other one is 30,000, and you save. Go and save. So that is how you can save a TP. So if you want to edit the name of a satellite, you see press on the edit and you change the name. That is how you do it. If you want to delete, you press on the yellow button, delete. This is it. So it shows this X sign. This X means to delete. And you want to delete, you press your red again, which is to delete. The command me, you want to delete all your satellite, you press your blue, delete all. So I don't want to delete, I was just showing you on how to do it. Now you see something like a spectrum. This spectrum shows you the way, if you track your channel, it shows you the variation of your frequencies that are on that particular satellite. So this is the graph. The satellite finder is not yet connected, so that is why it's below like that. So we have the loop here. Now in this loop, let's just say you are tracking your Equinox. Let's just say you are tracking your common satellites, which Chinese, which are Eutelsat. You just come and input the frequencies here, and let's just say like the first frequency that I've inputted here is 12687 vertical to 30,000. Then I've inputted another one which is 1084 vertical 30,000. Now if this frequency here has quality and this one is not stable, it's going to indicate here. So this is the function of this loop search. Is very important. This loop search is very important. While we have the calculator, this calculator shows you like you need to choose the satellite that you want to work on. Let me see, Eutelsat 16. Now when you choose the satellite, it shows you the angle and the position, the degree of the dish, the position of the dish, where the dish needs to fall, if it's west or the east. This is it. It shows you the calculation. So that is the function. Now we have the system here. This system here, let's just say you are not you are just a beginner in satellite work and you don't know how to track channels. Where you need to put your beep, you need to make sure your beep is on. So you go to OSD settings and you enter there. Now when you enter there, you are going to see some functions here. Let me say you want to make your satellite finder to be transparent. You need to enter into your OSD and this is a time. So if I'm putting to 40, it's going to be transparent. If I put it to 0, your background is not going to show. So I need to put it at 30. Now if I want to on my beep, it should be indicating a sound. This is a function here, beep. So I'm going to on it and I'll save it. Now if I go back to my installation, it's going to be beeping. That is beep beep beep. Now with this sound, this sound is good because if you are tracking your channel and you have the signal, it's going to beep with a faster, it's going to beep with a fast speed. That is the importance of this sound. So it's very important for beginners. But if you are a professional, you can remove it from your satellite finder. So don't forget to like this video, you share the video, and you comment. The last thing, don't forget to subscribe. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe so that you see all my videos I'll be dropping on this channel. And don't forget to share the video. Don't forget to share the video.
Okay, good morning, my YouTube community people. My name is Alemji Emmanuel. So today we're going to see how to to set up a start time dish and a decoder. Yes, so this is a decoder. This is a decoder I'm holding. I don't know if the camera can zoom it. Yes, this is a decoder. It's a paid. The company is paid. The Chinese are all paid Chinese. So let's see what is inside this decord, inside this cartoon. So I don't know if the cameraman can zoom it. So let's see the accessories of the start time decoder. So once as you open your start time the cartoon, you are going to see the setup manual. This is a setup manual. Let me say you don't know things there, like the installer came and did the installation and you don't know how to manipulate the remote and the rest. You just use the setup manual. We also have the decoder itself, the decoder itself. This is the decoder. So in the decoder we have the serial number. Please, cameraman, just come nearer. We have the smart card number and the serial number. So this serial number is a subscription number if you have to subscribe. So just call the company and you send your you do the transaction and you give their serial number. Yes, it shows the voltage of this decoder, which is 12 volts. Now we have some inputs here. This is the Alemji in, which will be connected directly to the decoder to the dish. Now you don't need a DSX switch to do this. We have the HDMI port. This is it. It produces high quality for the image, and we also have the AV port. You understand? We have this port that has three holes, yellow, red, and white. This is the AV port. We have now the power port, DC, which is 12 volts. So this is the accessory. We also have the adapter. The adapter. I don't know. I have some Ghanaians in my YouTube channel, so they don't know the meaning of adapter. So there they call it the adapter. The adapter. So this is the adapter, 12 volts. If it's bad, just get to the market and get a 12 volts adapter. So this is it. We also have the HDMI cable. This cable helps you to produce a high quality of the video. So this is the HDMI cable. So let's go now to the manual setup of the dish. After that, we do the connection and we do the scan process. So this video is in 3 parts. The first part, the mounting of the dish. It must not be a start time dish. I don't know if you can show them the dish. This is a Canal Plus dish. I don't know. So it must not be a start time dish because I could not get a start time dish. I was supposed to get a start time dish, but I bought the Canal Plus dish. It must not be a start time dish. Take note. After mounting that dish, we need to do the connection. We do the connection, and after the connection, we do the scan. How to set up the decoder, which is a scan, and after that, what are we going to do next? We call now the Star Time company in Cameroon. Yes, in Cameroon to do the subscription. If you're in Cameroon, you call the company here in Cameroon. You're in Nigeria, do so in Nigeria, and so forth. Or if you can do the subscription yourself using their mobile app or their website, is good. If you cannot do, you call. So let's start. Let's start. So I want to do the mounting of the dish. I'm to climb up and put the dish up and try to, like, I'm tracking the satellite of StarTime. So StarTime faces the west. I needed to show you with a compact, but I don't know to determine it. Either use your digital compass or your analog compass. You can get your analog compass using your mobile phone. So let's go. Let's see something. I don't know if you can zoom it. Let's see. Now you need to please zoom it. I told you I have many videos on my YouTube channel. I have many videos, but I'll be explaining some detailed things here. We have the elevation and the maximum setting. Now the elevation is, I told that elevation is left to right. I mean, maximum is left to right, while elevation is up to down. I think I have some geographers here, right? My students are here, the geographers, they can explain. So now just see, let's see something. I see. So now I was telling you elevation, up down, maximum, left right. So that is it. Now the frequency, I'm going to give you the frequency. After giving you the frequency, um I'm going to give you the elevation setting. Now the frequency is, it's face westward. So the let's get the frequency, then we'll start. So you need to use a satellite finder to do this. If you don't have a satellite finder, you use a fixed air decoder. So let me show you a fixed air decoder, and I will show you how you configure it. Now if you on your satellite finder, please zoom. This is very important. Very, very, very important. Now your satellite finder is on. You look for your satellite. Take your satellite. Now this is a satellite UTELSAT 7B/7C. Click on it. You see the channels there: Star Time, Guide, French, and the rest. They are there. They have many FTA channels. So you need to look for a suitable frequency. Yes. So I think I can give you this frequency. The frequency now for the Star Time is 11. Don't worry yourself. It's going to be displayed on the screen. Yes. So it's 11996 horizontal 27500. That is the frequency. So after having the frequency, you need to know also the elevation setting, and you are good to go. We call it a day. Now I'm to climb up and track the signal. Yes. To track, you can use several ways to track. Many of my YouTubers have been asking me, say how can I add frequencies and the rest. I did a video on that, but many people are just asking. Just be patient and watch that video. Yes. So I don't know if you can go up and we'll see something. Let's go. Now, first step you have to do, when the LMB is not yet connected, when the satellite finder or the decoder is not yet connected to the dish, the frequency here, the signal here is going to be on 1211. But once as you connect it, it's going to change from maybe 12 to 60 or 70. So just wait, let me connect it and see. Before tracking, you can also put your beep sign. I'm sure I'm going to do it because I have many beginners in my YouTube channel that they're asking. So I have to do something professional. Okay, so let me do it. So I'm climbing. Now I'm going to do a video on LMB position. Many people are confused of say, okay, now if I'm tracking Cameroon channels, how am I to position my LMB, Nigeria, Nicomsat, multi TV? How am I to position my LMB? But most of them, they are confused. Each satellite has a LMB position, but they don't know. Let me do this. I think we shall do that in different series of videos. So I'm connecting it. Okay. Now tracking your start time. Your LMB position is 3 o'clock. Now let me just show you how to determine your LMB position. Now when you take a clock, it's just that I don't have a clock. Face the clock towards you. You will notice that up is 12, down is 6, here is 3, and here is 7. So when I say 3 o'clock, I mean the LMB should align to 9 to 70. Let us see something. 9 to 70. Let us see something. Let us try to improve the signal. Try to see if we can improve the signal. Because what we need now is the best quality. Because if you are tracking a satellite and you don't make sure to have the best quality, then most of the frequencies will not be there, like the signal. So let's try to give it a best quality and see something. So camera, please pay attention to this. I want to try to give it the best quality. I think it's increasing from 60 to 63. Let's try to see if we can give the best quality. I think 72. Wow, it's 72. Let's try to see if we can improve it again. Why are we improving this? Because when there's bad weather and the rest, sometimes you connect it to the recorder and it shows no signal, all those things. Somebody will be scanning it and it's having no signal. So let's try to see if we can get 75, then it will be the best. Instead drop. So I think 72 is good enough. 72 is good enough. Now what am I to do? I take my spinal 10 and tie the dish. Take my spinal 10 to tie the dish. So I think